Catching up with Instagram again, TikTok are now launching collaborative posts. So this is something that you've been able to do on Instagram for a while now, but now TikTok are also joining the collaborative posts feature. It looks like it's still rolling out, but this has been testing since May of this year. And recently, people have discovered that you can now add up to 5 collaborators in one TikTok post. Users will be able to invite collaborators to post up to 4 times per month. So it looks like there is a little limit on how many times you can use this collaborative option. But it's definitely a great one if you are doing influencer marketing on TikTok or if you're working with partner brands as well. So think about the partnerships that you've got in place, or maybe the influencers and content creators you're reaching out to. And if there is an opportunity to make your posts collaborative, really, really great for engagement. The reason why collaborative posts work so well on both TikTok and over on Reels is because it, of course, combines all of the engagement together. It means your post is visible on both your profile and the other person's profile at the same time, which is really powerful. And also, the algorithms love collaborative posts as well because it's quite a new feature. They like to feature these quite a lot in the news feeds. Much like on Instagram, over on TikTok, the post will appear on all of the collaborators' feeds at the same time, and a little collaborative sticker will also appear in the feed. So I think this is going to be a great ahead of Christmas as we start to see more and more collaborations and ad content coming from influencers. And it's definitely a way that your accounts can get more exposure. So keep an eye out for any opportunities where you could use this new collaborative sticker and collaborative feature over on TikTok.